Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a slightly different video, my regrets video. Sounds so dramatic. Makeup products and skincare products that I regret buying. So let's go ahead and get started. So I asked you guys video ideas for my channel, and one of you guys mentioned that I should do a regrets video. So for the last 3 weeks or so, I've been setting aside makeup and skincare products that I wasn't too thrilled about or kind of regret buying. Hopefully this video will keep you from, buying any of these products that I don't really recommend so that you don't have to make the same mistake as me. Let's get started. All right, first one is this Thayers Witch Hazel Towelettes. Okay, I have the liquid form. One of my favorite toners are from Thayers, and I was so excited that they came in a towelette form because this would be perfect for travel. The problem is it was dry. Everything inside was dry. It was just not moisturizing. It didn't give me like that refreshing feeling that I would get with the liquid form. If you want to see the Thayers Witch Hazel toner in action, definitely watch one of my skincare videos. I'll try to put them up here or here or link them in the description box below. Another regret, guys, don't get this, the Laura Geller Multitasking Eye Lip Cheek Palette. I think I got this in my BoxyCharm box, so it's not something that I 100% bought with my own money, but I still paid for the box. These are cream products, and unfortunately, none of them show up on the skin, but it just also felt very greasy. Like right now looking at it, it just feels very greasy. It's not very appealing to my skin tone, not my favorite. I think I'm gonna pass this on to someone with dry skin. This is the Kadar Lip Whip Liquid Lipstick. Not my favorite. Actually, it just started running. It's a very runny formula and it just would not stick on my lips. I think it had an issue with my lip gloss. It was very drying, but then at the same time, it did not wear nicely. Like it would give me that ugly ring around my lips when it faded, and it just did not suit my lip color at all. But the formula itself just seemed like it wasn't long lasting, but it wasn't flattering as well. No matter what the lip color, unfortunately, you're gonna hate the formula. So pass on that. This one is Morphe M167. Now I'm a fan of Morphe brushes, I have to say, except for this one. This is very rough on the eyes. I was trying to find a dupe for my Sigma E55, which is this one. And in a way, they're kind of very similar if you look at it, but the Sigma one is very soft on the eyes. This one, I tried to use it several times. I've been hanging on to it for like over a year and a half, and unfortunately, every time I use it, I just hate using it. I feel like it's scratching my eyes, and that is not what you want for your eyes, guys. You want the softest makeup brushes for your eyes, and so I pass on this. I have to say, the Elite line of brushes by Morphe are 10 times more soft. This line starts with the letter M. Some of the brushes from the M line is actually very rough and not soft at all. The Morphe 167, pass. Okay, this one I bought with my own money and it was expensive. Sold a Chinero Lip Balm. So this is the color. It's very nude on me. It's actually very brown, but I just don't get it. There's no pigment whatsoever. I actually have one that's in the orange color. Not sure if I have it still, but that was another one that I had to declutter. Oh, here it is. Yeah, this is the one. As you can see, I have two. Again, this is in the orange color, and it's just a balmy, sticky. There's like a very strong vanilla-y taste, but not even like a vanilla taste. I mean, the pigmentation is off. It's so sticky and wet. I could not go with it. I didn't like the scent as well. I think it's a type of oil that they use. I had high hopes for this, and I love the packaging. I mean, super unique. Marc Jacobs. I do love this. And the powder is very fine, and oh my gosh, look at that. It just does not show on my skin. This is in the color Tantric, and this is actually the darkest color I believe that Marc Jacobs has in this line with their Omega bronzers. And hello, there are way more darker skin tones than this. I wish Marc Jacobs would come out with darker shades of bronzers that would suit my skin tone, like medium to deep. I think we got left out there. So I just had to bring that up. I think they have one that's actually deep, but it's more shimmery than matte. And I wish that they would expand. And I love the big mirror. Look at that, humongous mirror, humongous pan. I've had this for 2 years and I've been trying to use it, but it just would not show up on my skin. Guys, another Marc Jacobs. I'm not trying to hate Marc Jacobs. I bought this when it was on sale, and look at this. If you look at it, it looks like a good variety of warm and cool tones, and I was looking forward to taking this on vacation. It's so neat and compact, and I mean, packaging is A+, right? Marc Jacobs formula is also very, very good quality. With that said, this is very deceiving. So if you like cool tones, I think this palette is for you. But if you gravitate towards warm tone eyeshadows, this is not it. Almost all of them has a very cool tone base or undertone. And so it just did not work for my skin tone at all. Like maybe this one, oh my gosh, it's so soft. Okay, so with exception to that one, super creamy. Look at that. Okay, is this my regrets? I don't know. Amazing formula. Okay, Marc Jacobs. Other than that though, everything else was just very cool, like deep, and it had very grayish undertones. And even the brown one, I mean, it might look warm on camera, but it still has that like grayish undertone that I just could not make it work. So I always looked like I had a black eye when I was using this. The packaging is deceiving because, you know, when you think of leopard print, it's like more warm, earthy tones, but this is more cool tones. So I need to use this red stat. This is the MAC Huggable Lip color. Okay, another one of those shades that are very balmy. It's sticky and balmy and barely there kind of color. These types, including the Sol de Janeiro one, actually emphasizes the lining on my lips, and I don't like that. So pass on this one. It's a nice lip topper, but on its own, I don't think anyone would like it. This one, the Aoa Pro Wear Foundation. This is supposed to be the more full coverage matte foundation by Aoa. If you haven't seen my Shop Miss A haul, very affordable makeup products. This one, guys, is where it's at. The Aoa Plus Buildable Satin Foundation is bomb.com. This one, annoying. It breaks apart. It's cracky. It's thick. It was not a good formula, guys. It was very thick. It felt like it was sitting on top of the skin and it would not absorb. So pass on this. It is super full coverage. Too bad, but the formula was just not very nice and appealing. And for $2, you're not gonna miss anything. But this one, guys, worth buying for $2. The one that says A+ Buildable Satin. I love this foundation. Lorac Pro. Yes. Why Lorac? The pigmentation, guys, sucks. I mean, they seem creamy and all, but they do not stay on the skin. Now I remember what I don't like about this Lorac contour palette. It is very ashy. It just sits on top of the skin, very powdery. It doesn't melt nicely into the skin. It seems like it's not part of your skin in a way. It feels creamy to the touch, but really they are just sitting on top of the skin and there's no color payoff. I think that's what I didn't like about them. Pass on this Lorac Pro contour palette. The very last regret is by Amika, this thick volumizing base. This is very sticky on the hair, and it also makes my hair look very greasy. It gives me volume, but not the kind of volume that I want. It's pretty much a messy hair day kind of volume, and nobody wants that. I always find the need to have to comb it often because it's so sticky, because it's getting so tangled. Like, it just makes my hair one big tangled mess. I've given this a chance several times, and I thought maybe I need to use it differently, but it just did not do anything for me. Don't get this. Save your money, guys. Save your money. So that is all of my regrets, guys. Makeup regrets. I think there was only just one skincare item there that I didn't care for. I hope you guys like this video and learned something. Let me know if there are other types of videos that you'd like me to do that might interest you. Comment it down below. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.